Canning mistake number 7 is adding extra vegetables to salsa recipes. Now, I am naturally a cook that I kind of wing it. When I am just cooking something, I hardly ever follow a recipe exactly. In fact, I hardly use recipes when I'm cooking. I just throw stuff in a pot and kind of add my spices, taste it. Oh, yeah, that's good. When you are canning salsa, you need to make sure to have the right amount of acid. It is a food that will be water bathed or steam canned, and it needs to be high enough acid. So let's say that you're following, you look at the recipe in a book like this, and you think to yourself, well, I like this basic recipe, but I want to dump in a whole bunch of cilantro, or I want more onions, I want more peppers, that type of thing. The problem with that is that it can throw off the acid level and make it unsafe to can. So be sure to follow the safe canning recipe in a book like this, and don't alter the amount of vegetables, the amount of low acid foods. You can check the acid level, but that is a little bit more advanced, and so that might be something that I get into in the future, how to test the pH of a recipe to make sure it's safe to water bath can. But generally speaking, you don't want to add extra vegetables to a salsa recipe.